In this video, I'm going to show you how to change resolution on your TV. It can be a Samsung or Android TV. Now, if you want to change the resolution of your TV, you can head over and see what resolution it actually supports. I have in here this document that can help us with this. So you need a Samsung Smart TV or Android TV. You need the remote as well as optional the external device like console, streaming box, and for Samsung Smart TVs, like for example, Crystal UHD, QLED, and OLED, you can press the home button, go to the settings, and select picture from the left menu. Select the picture size settings, and then from there set it to 16:9 standard. You can go to the custom or resolution options, and you should be able to adjust it from there. If you have an external device manager, you can go there and choose the HDMI UHD color. Enable UHD for the HDMI port connected, and this allows it 4K or 8K input if supported. You can also set an output resolution from external device, like for example a PS5, and you can select 1080 pixels, 4K as well as 8K, depending on your TV's max resolution. For Android TV, you can open your settings and select the device preferences as well as display. Then choose the screen resolution. From in there, select your preferred resolution like 1080 pixels, 4K, 8K, and you may also have an auto mode. Make sure to disable that. After it, confirm and save. So that's how you change resolution on your TV. Hope we help.